Welcome back, continuing the news. On the eve of the Primary Exit Profile, or PEP exam, education psychologist Dr. Patrice Charles King is cautioning parents not to overwhelm their children. Shamala Pullen tells us more in this evening's health report.
Students sitting exams like the Primary Exit Profile PEP often experience significant stress. According to education psychologist Dr. Patrice Charles King, stress can be a major obstacle to academic success, particularly during exams like PEP. This can create anxiety, which can lead to forgetfulness.
There are physical symptoms of mental health issues, such as headaches, stomach aches, or even sleep disturbances. There are cognitive impairments, such as impaired concentration and memory, and of course this can affect their overall academic performance. And there are also behavioral changes that parents can look out for, such as increased irritability, withdrawal from social activities, or even changes in their appetites.
Dr. Charles King says it's normal to feel some level of stress when facing exams, but being prepared is critical.
I think that parents should also try to teach stress management techniques, such as deep breathing and mindfulness, which is connecting with themselves in the moment, so that during the exam, if they feel nervous, then they can take a deep breath and calm themselves by just getting in touch with grounding themselves in the moment. Pressing their feet into the ground, being more aware of themselves in the exam can help to eliminate the anxiety that they may feel during the exam.
She further explains what parents and guardians can do to help their child or children.
Parents, also, please don't compare your children to other children. So encourage children to focus on their own progress rather than comparing themselves to others. And so by fostering a supportive and understanding environment, I believe that parents can help to mitigate stress and promote healthier coping strategies for their children during exam periods.
With your health report, I'm Shamala Pullen wishing you good health. The health